To convert image to vector in Canva, let's come over to our Elements tab, and I'm just going to go to Photos, and I want to convert any of this photo into a vector. I'm going to click on Magic Recommendations to see all the recommendations I have. And if I select this image here, and I will click on Remove BG to take out the background. Once you have your image you want to turn into a vector, we're going to come here to Apps, and we're going to search for Vectorify. You see it's come up here. I'm going to click on Vectorify, and once that opens you can see the full color of your vector, and if you go you can change it to black and white, or you can reduce the threshold on all that depending on what you want it to be. But I don't want it as black and white, I want the full color to be there, and I will say convert to vector, and the process of conversion begins to take place. You see it has converted my image into a vector, and you can see all the colors the image has. You can add colors to these vectors. You can change how your vector look from here. You can use different color palette. You have all the color palette it has, or you can still go back to your original color. And once you're happy with all of this, you click on Save.